LG 75-inch Class NANO75 Series 4K Smart TV Review. Pros and Cons. Pros. Very safe product delivery from Amazon. Beautiful picture. Crisp and clean colors. Good brightness. Good sound quality. Overall, a good quality TV. Cons. Some users complain that it has a bit light bleeding issue. Some users are not used to the remote control comes with this TV. The navigation is a bit slow. Key features. LG 75-inch TV. Class NANO75 Series 4K Smart TV. LG S65Q 3.1 ch high-res audio soundbar. HDMI and Bluetooth connectivity options. Internet browser, Netflix, Hulu, and other apps. LED display technology. 4K display resolution. 75-inch display size. More than a billion rich colors. A 5G and 5 AI processor. 4K. Game optimizer. AI brightness control. Supports 400x400 VESA mount. Magic remote control. Flat screen TV. LG brand name. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.